Ireland's General Employment Permit 2026 Guide, your complete roadmap to securing a job and residency. The General Employment Permit lets non-EU citizens work in Ireland. It's designed for skilled and mid-level professionals seeking new opportunities. Start by searching for vacancies on Irish job sites. Focus on companies known to sponsor work permits for international candidates. Reach out to potential employers directly. Confirm they're registered and eligible to sponsor non-EU employment permits. 2026 brings new GEP rules, updated salary thresholds, and changes in eligible occupation lists. Review these carefully before applying. New salary minimums now apply. Make sure your job offer meets or exceeds the 2026 required annual salary for your occupation. Check if your role is on the ineligible list. Some jobs remain restricted. You can only apply for roles not listed as ineligible. Prepare your documents, job contract, passport, qualifications, and reference letters. Ensure everything matches the permit checklist. Complete the online General Employment Permit application. Read the instructions carefully and fill out all sections correctly. Pay the required application fee online. Keep your payment confirmation. It's needed for tracking and any follow-ups. Track your application using the receipt number. Most GEPs are processed in 8 to 12 weeks, but times vary. If approved, you'll receive your permit electronically. Start planning your move to Ireland and arrange your travel as soon as you receive it. Upon arrival in Ireland, present your General Employment Permit to immigration officials at the airport for thorough verification. After 2 years on a GEP, you can apply for Stamp 4 residency, a key step toward long-term security and greater work rights. With the right plan, your move to Ireland in 2026 is within reach. Are you ready to take the next step?